A very good morning to everyone. I am Kumari Khushi, student of class 10K, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mughalsarai. Major Dhyanchand Ji was born on 29th August in 1905 in Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. Dhyanchand Ji was a former hockey player in the Indian team. He won gold medals in Amsterdam Olympics in 1928, Los Angeles Olympics in 1932 and the Berlin Olympics in 1936. The magic that Dhyanchand Ji showed on the field is recorded in history even today. In 1922, Major Dhyanchand Ji joined the army at the age of 16. Seeing people playing in the army, his desire to play started awakening in his mind. In 1926, the Indian hockey team went to a foreign tour, which included Major Dhyanchand Ji. In Amsterdam Olympics 1928, he scored 14 goals in 5 matches. After the winning the same tournament, he was named as the Magician of Hockey. After watching Dhyanchand Ji's game in 1936 Berlin Olympics, Hitler offered him German citizenship and a position in the German army, which Major Dhyanchand Ji rejected. Dhyanchand Ji scored more than 400 goals in his international career and played an important role in winning 3 gold medals for India. In 1956, the government of India honored him with Padma Bhushan, India's 3rd highest civilian honor. India's highest award for lifetime achievements in sports, the Dhyan Chand Award, is named after him. In 2002, the National Stadium at Delhi was renamed Dhyan Chand National Stadium. The National Sports Day is celebrated on 29th August every year on the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyanchand Ji. Every year on August 29, India celebrates its National Sports Day. The day is celebrated to honor the legendary hockey player Major Dhyanchand Ji on his birth anniversary. This day is observed to spread awareness on the importance of sports and daily activities in everyone's life. Last year, on the occasion of National Sports Day, Prime Minister Sir Honorable Narendra Modi Ji launched the Fit India movement. He asked everyone to take up sports as it has the direct connection with fitness is necessary for a healthy life. Now let's come to our school level. Our school authority also makes sure that the fitness level of students should be good. Every year, our school authority organizes some activities to maintain the fitness level of students and to encourage them towards the sports. Like SPSB programs, which includes number of games and fitness related activities. Our teachers make sure that every student should be part of this and enrich their fitness level plus their sports skills. Every year, our school authority also organizes National Sports Meet and many other programs related to the sports and fitness. As we all know, our nation is continuously fighting against the COVID-19. For our Indian government, the fitness of citizens during this pandemic was also the matter to think about seriously. They tried their best to find out the best possible way to promote their fitness. In the list of this, every citizen also kept trying to give their best on their own level. They started posting their fitness related activities videos on the different social media platforms. Our Indian government has also taken steps to promote the fitness level of students even in this pandemic. Running, the human body's most raw form of freedom. The Fit India movement is conducting the Fit India Freedom Run from 15th August to 2nd of the October to encourage fitness and help all to get freedom from anxiety, laziness, obesity and diseases and etc. The concept behind this run is that it can be run anywhere at any time. Run a route of your choice at a time that suits you. Run your own race at your own pace. Track your kilometers mentally or by using any tracking watched. Thank you so much.